What is up, guys? This is going to be an unboxing of the VIZIO 5.1.2 home theater sound system. This is a soundbar that has Dolby Atmos. The front speaker has two ceiling firing speakers. And this was $300. And it usually goes for $500. So definitely it's a bargain right now. It comes with Google Assistant. I guess it comes with the built-in Chromecast. Let me turn off my baby's toy. Okay, and then the way you open it, because it looks a little bit strange, because the base goes there and then the soundbar goes this way. It's just for packaging logistics where they put one. The other base would go here and kind of goes in the truck like a Lego. But the way I opened it is you take off the tape, you unlatch this part, you unlatch this part, you unlatch this part, and unlatch here, and then this will open up that way. I got everything out already. This is the accessories box, the two satellite speakers, the actual sound bar, and then the base. It's not that heavy. It's, I think, 23 pounds at most, including packaging. But I'll show you once it's all set up. Okay, so we have the accessories box here. It comes with the connection for the satellite cables, the left and right for the rear surround. Here's a power cable out for the soundbar, power cable for, I think, subwoofer. We have a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, male to male, and then a 3.5 millimeter jack with left and right RCA. We got a Toslink optical cable. We got an included HDMI cable. We got wall mounts for the speaker and also wall mounts for the soundbar. And that's everything. It's really cool that they include all this stuff already. They have zip ties, Velcro, so that's pretty good. And the controller includes batteries. You know, it's a good deal when they include batteries and not just any generic piece of crap batteries, Duracell batteries. So you pay a price and you get decent stuff, so that's good. And we're gonna connect it right now. So guys, so it's been a few days since I purchased the VIZIO 5.1.2 sound system. And I actually got a new TV just to really take advantage of the Dolby Atmos, because the previous TV I had didn't have ARC. So it has different sources that you can get it. So there's ARC, there's Bluetooth, there's USB, there's auxiliary, and optical, HDMI in. Leave it at ARC. And I got a Blu-ray player. Old Blu-ray players work as long as they have Dolby True HD. They support that particular video source. And I have here the subwoofer here in the back with the satellite speaker pointing over here. Have the other one here, have the cable running through the top. And when Atmos is working, this turns green when it's getting source for Dolby Atmos. Even when it's not Dolby Atmos, even if you use like an auxiliary, because the old TV was auxiliary, the speakers are really good. The front, left, and right have a lot of bass itself, so it's really good. And even if the content isn't Dolby Atmos, the soundbar in the application has a virtual setting. So there's different height speakers. And I'll show you the actual application right now. Casting from this isn't the best. I use either Bluetooth or just watch content from it through ARC. The bass is good. You can raise up the height speakers level because it doesn't sound too much, because there's not that, even if it's Dolby Atmos content, there's not too many things that go overhead, like maybe a helicopter or rain. I just watched John Wick. The regular Blu-ray has Dolby Atmos. If you have a 4K Blu-ray player, you have more options for Atmos, so it's good. Alright guys, so here is the application. It's a VIZIO SmartCast. I've already had my Atmos speaker paired with the Wi-Fi, and this is the default screen that you see. You can go to the inputs. Right now it's going to refresh. On inputs you can change the actual input on how you're going to distribute the sound or intake the sound through either ARC or HDMI in. And you go to settings, audio, and then here are the different filters. You can go to bass, treble, center, surround volume, surround balance, subwoofer. The equalizer is pretty cool because it knows by default whether it's a movie or music. And obviously you're going to want the surround on, height speakers on. That's so that it actually enables the ceiling firing speakers, or you can have them off. Or if the content is in Dolby Atmos, you can leave it on virtual. Virtual is actually really good. There's times that virtual actually sounds better, but in Dolby Atmos, you're going to want that on. And then height level, I truly leave it at the highest because I want to really hear the over-the-head sounds. There's night mode if you want not to disturb like neighbors, things like that. So that's the settings. I would definitely recommend the speaker, especially if you have a small place. At $300, the price that I got it, definitely a good deal. At $500, you could probably think about it. Maybe get actual surround system with a AV receiver. Those are always going to be better, more than likely, than an actual soundbar. Unless you go for like a $1,000 soundbar, but think about it. At that price, you could probably get a 7.1 beginner setup from Onkyo. But definitely a really good price, especially if you're not into audio and video. If you don't have Dolby, if you don't have ARC on your TV or optical, you're going to need an upgrade if you want to take full advantage of this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. And see you guys next time.